Ardor. Longing for wings to rise, to fly and go farther. Long on the captain inside a golden cage of a famous age. Of this year I will disengage the heart of the tigress. I'll ignite the fire to break these chains and live my true desire. Trapped in a golden cage inside the mind of a tigress, a bird so majestic of a famous age, who sings so on like an eagle in this timeless age. Yet my wing is wounded, I am uprooted, deliberately so craftily suited for a bird of aristocracy, the kingdom of convoluted bureaucracy where freedom stands diluted. Falling beseeching to fill up my cup of honor, longing for wings to rise, to fly and go sadder. Want my physical sinews not to wait upon me. Wanna be light as a feather, a spirit so free. Wanna be picturesque as a changing weather. Wanna feel the caressing we lost so light yet blowing to see what he ever can garments of crimson, shining with light through the changing seasons, but so hard on inside, beseeching to fill up my cup of fire, longing for ways to rise, to fly and go farther. Follow the captive inside a golden cage of a famous age. Of this era I will disengage the heart of a tigress. I'll ignite the fire to break these chains and live my true desire.